I want to tell you about 4 great deals in Canadian investing. Number 1 are exchange-traded funds that track the major Canadian and US stock indexes. Now, you may know about ETFs. They're low-cost, sort of mutual funds that trade like a stock. The ETFs tracking the Canadian and US major markets are insanely low cost. You can get an ETF that tracks the Canadian stock market, the S&P TSX Composite, with a management expense ratio of 0.06%. That rounds down to very close to free. US funds tracking the S&P 500 might come in around 0.1%. Comparable mutual funds might cost you 1.8 to 2.5%. You can see the appeal of ETFs, why they're becoming so popular. Now, one drawback with ETFs is that you have to pay a brokerage commission to buy them and sell them, roughly $10 a crack. That can get expensive if you want to make monthly contributions. This brings me to my second great bargain, a small number of online brokerage firms that offer some degree of free ETF trading. There's Qtrade and Scotia iTrade, which offer free buying and selling of ETFs off a limited selection. There's Virtual Brokers and Questrade, which offer free ETF purchases, but they charge regular commissions on sales. And there's National Bank Direct Brokerage, which offers free ETF trading as long as you're buying 100 shares. The third bargain is the TD E-Series of index mutual funds. If ETFs aren't right for you, but you like the idea of low-cost index investing, check out these mutual funds. You can invest in them using a TD Direct Investing account. You can put as little as $100 a crack in them, and there are no fees to buy or sell. The MERs on these funds are not as low as ETFs, but at about 0.3 to 0.5%, they are still very competitive with regular mutual funds. The fourth bargain is the D-Series mutual fund. If you're a DIY investor and you have a mutual fund that you'd like to add to your portfolio, I suggest you look for the D-Series version. This means that you will pay a significantly lower management expense ratio than the regular version of the fund. D-Series are lower cost. They're designed for do-it-yourself investors who are not receiving any advice or any help. They deserve to pay a lower fee, and the D-Series fund allows them to do that.